In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume in Canva. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in so your work saves automatically as you go. On the home page, head to the search bar at the top, type the word resume, and press enter. You'll see a wide range of templates designed for different industries and styles. Take a moment to browse and choose one that fits the role you're applying for and the tone you want. Clean and modern for tech, polished and classic for corporate, or creative for design-focused roles. When you found one you like, click it, then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, click directly on any text box like the placeholder for your name, the experience section, or contact information. Delete the sample text and type in your own details. Keep your sentences concise and results focused, and make sure dates and job titles are consistent. To update the profile photo, open the Uploads panel on the left, upload your image if needed, then drag your photo onto the placeholder to replace the default. If you prefer not to use a photo, you can simply leave that area as is. To adjust typography, select any text box and use the font menu in the top toolbar to choose a font that's clean and readable. Aim for a simple pairing and keep sizes consistent across headings and body text. For colors, click any colored element such as a banner, line, or icon. A color swatch will appear in the toolbar. Pick a color that complements your template and aligns with your personal brand. Sticking to 2 or 3 colors helps your resume look professional and cohesive. If you need more or less space for sections like skills or education, click the text box or the surrounding elements and drag the corners or sides to resize. You can also drag entire sections up or down to reorder them. Pay attention to alignment and spacing as you move things around. Consistent margins and even spacing make a strong first impression. When everything looks polished, it's time to export. Click Share in the upper right, then select Download. Under File Type, choose PDF Standard for most online applications, or PDF Print if you want the highest quality for printing. This format is preferred by most employers because it preserves your layout and fonts. Finally, click Download again, and your resume will be saved to your device, ready to send.